First, follow the fish. The schools of fish on the hallway carpets outside the stateroom swim or point towards the front or forward of the ship. Hi cruisers, here are a few helpful tips for finding your way on the Norwegian Bliss or most other NCL cruise ships. On our first cruise aboard the Norwegian Bliss, my wife and I would get lost and lose our sense of directions. Our stateroom steward Cyrus noticed this and taught us 2 quick and helpful tips to get us to and from our stateroom. Face the same way as the fish, and behind you will be the aft or rear of the ship. To the left will be the port side, and to the right will be the starboard side. Second, the solid colored carpet sections indicate the locations of the stair and elevator lobbies. This will help you quickly find the stairways and elevators. Here's another tip that will help you pass through the sliding glass doors to the outside decks. Simply tap the sensors next to or on the doors. We hope you find these tips helpful on your next NCL cruise. Please check out this video too.